Make a great choice today with
The 2022 Transit 250. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, low tire pressure warning. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.